Hello YouTube, this is Tom from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my swap reveal from Happycrafter Lisa Goss here on the YT. She does usually a monthly swap, and so this was a good packaging swap, so just get a chance to get this video done. So let's just dive right in and see what I got. We had to make a package in a box. They had to be flat and some tags. So this one is, I believe, from Katie. Let's see. Yep, this is from Katie, Scrap for Your Life. That's her YouTube channel. Of course, I always think, sorry about the sound. Sorry. Didn't realize that. I always link their channels below, so you can check out their channels as well. If I need to do that, I just covered it up with the tape. That's smart. I folded it on the paper. I'm in the bag. Anyway, so as you can see, this is her topper. It says hello, and here's her tag, and 10 things, her tag, and it just tells you about the swap partners and her name. She's got this pretty flower over here, and it's layered. I like those flowers, and I like the hello. I love the color of this paper as well. But this is a nice, like, sturdy. I think she said it was a sheet protector or something, but it doesn't feel like a sheet protector, but it is very sturdy because I don't see any holes in it. So look at those mauve pretty flowers. Same ones that she used on her topper for her gift bag. Pretty. I don't have any of that color, so nice edit to my collection. So look at that beautiful butterfly, and she layered it onto some cardstock and then fussy cut it out. And butterflies are always pretty, and this is her box. So she's layered the sides of it as well, and she's put tape, which was really nice to include that, so it's easier to get it done. She's got a little Velcro right here, and so basically that is how the box is going to look once it is assembled. Very pretty. And so it had to be at least 4x6 is the box size that we had to make. So it was nice that she had the added touch like the Velcro, so everything works. So, and of course, we had to ship them flat, but nice and easy to put together. And this paper is so pretty, that shimmer. You can pick up all that shimmer up there. She's got some butterflies. She's already got her ribbon attached, and I like how she put the ribbon on the inside of the bag and it's layered in there. So it's nice and securely, and she's covered the sides. As you can see, nice depth to that, the width. So it's a couple inches, so you can put a nice size gift in there. We also had to give a couple sheets of gift paper. Very pretty and elegant. I love that. And then she put in here, thanks for swapping with me. Oh, thank you, Katie. I really appreciate everything. It's very pretty, and I love the color scheme. And then she gave us some of these, some nice little cute shaped sticky notes. They are so pretty and feminine, always come in handy. And then she gave us some ephemera, some little cut parts. It's got that nice glittery in here as well. And so then she gave us one of those little butterflies. You can see that shimmer. And again, you can layer that on paper if you want to stock it behind that. And then she's got a glitter one that says hello, and some tags in here as well. Some little cut parts from her paper collection that you can use. So thank you so much for that. Oh, here's another butterfly. And so that one, she already have it on some black cardstock, and this is on some white. So good, we can play around with that, because butterflies kind of go with pretty much anything. You can, add a butterfly to it, which is pretty cool. So thank you, Katie. And again, her information will be linked below, so you can check out her channel. And make sure you like and subscribe to these wonderful crafters here on the YT. And then here's her tag, her 10 things about her. And then I'll make sure her address is not shown. And then this is her card. We also had to make a card, an A2 size card. She's got some nice rhinestones up here, and again, that butterfly and that mauve flower. And again, everything is color coordinated. and then she corner punched the inside, so she's double layered it. Nice sturdy card, very sturdy. And then this is a nice tag, and she used a scallop and a banner, fishtail banner, and layered them together with another butterfly and those mauve flowers and a tag, a ribbon, to make this nice big sturdy card. Tag, can't talk. So thank you so much, Katie. And then I also, excuse me, and this is Tracy. Oh. Hey, ribbons. Sorry. I know some people hate that sound. And some people love that sound because it's like the sound of goodies. Where's my scissors? Oh, so this is Task Create Tracy. Oops. Did I just rip that? Yes, I did. Get some of this tape out of the way and pull out the goodies that she sent in here as well. So I have Tracy's channel information, Task Create as well up here. So she went with a wedding theme, and of course Lisa has a video of everything up there on her channel as well. And so nice pretty paper. Got the cameras. I love cameras. I love photography. Dibbled and dabbled on that for a while. So I do love that. Got this nice tool handle, and so with hers she sent the front and the bottom in for the flap, and so this is a nice wide one as well, and it's actually gusseted on the sides. I see the scoring in here, so you can make this gusseted on the sides too as well. And then she said the top insert and the bottom insert to make this a nice box. And she's got the to and from tag up here, and they're nice, sturdy, very sturdy. And you got some eyelash trim. Got the pretty gold and cream or buttercream tissue paper, which is very wedding-y, if that's such a word, wedding-y. And of course the little couple right here are just too cute. And so it's this paper with a picnic fence and the word love and the butterflies. And so this is a very sturdy box, very sturdy, and you just fold it up. Of course I had those pieces sticking out, but you get the gist. I thought this was a cute theme. So that's a nice box right there. Look at them. They're nice and sturdy too, and they're popped up. And here's her tag, which is, I can feel it already, it's nice and thick. Yep, nice and thick. So she's got several layers up here. Chipboard, you got tulle and eyelash in the background, banners, and you got your dress form and your tuxedo right there. So nice, thick, popped up, and a nice size. At least we had to be at least a 4x6 for the tags. So the tags actually can fit in the box. And then there's some goodies. She gave us some more of those, the little couples, so we can use them if we wanted to put them on the side of the bag. I thought that was so cute. But this makes like a nice iCad. I don't know what size it is, if it's a 4x6. I like this just for that, just even though it's a card. But I'm saying I like this, you know, for that as well. And this is the wonky stitching in here, but it's nice, very sturdy, and layered very well. And she's got it popped up on dimensionals. And this is the envelope that goes along with the card, which is fun. And then she gave us some cut aparts. So we can choose to embellish some additional stuff, which is on the bag or the card or whatever, on the envelope. So it's got these flowers and these little banners that say with love. Got the little ring banners, you know. So all of those can count as embellishments. And this bag, she made this bag to put these in. and they have little shimmer. You might not be able to see them up there on the camera, but they have sheen to these embellishments as well. And then she made some more dress forms, which, hey, which crafter couldn't use those for something? We always can use those. And those lips are too cute. And these is love. And then her tag about her, which I thought was nice. And then another couple right here. And then a miniature couple. So you can use those on additional projects. And you have two different sizes. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And so I will have Katie and Tracy's channels, and as well as Lisa's, listed below. I enjoy doing her swaps. They're fun and they're easy to do, as far as she's very clear about the directions and what you need to get done, and the deadlines. So thank you, ladies, and thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.